Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix stick drift on controller in Fortnite, and it really doesn't matter if you're using PS4, PS5 or Xbox, or PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press on the profile icon, then press on settings, then go to controller, and then scroll down until you see controller sensitivity. Then you need to locate which stick is having the stick drift. So for example, if for me left stick is having stick drift, I will select this and then apply the pressure on the stick. So as you can see here, if when I'm applying pressure, the yellow circle appears. So what you need to do here is to make a blue icon, a blue circle, not smaller than yellow. So if you, for example, have a blue circle like this, and you apply the pressure, and here, and as you can see here, your yellow circle will be bigger, you will have stick drift. So what you need to do here is simply make it blue circle bigger than the yellow when you apply the pressure, and your stick drift should be gone. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.